Okay guys, so I'm going to go through the next paper now. This is revision set 2. I hope the first one was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. Question number 1. 4x plus 7 is going to expand to 4x plus 28. Make sure you multiply both parts by 4. Part B, we're going to multiply both parts by 5. So it's 5x minus 40. Now this next one is a double bracket question. So x multiplied by x is x squared minus 7x minus 9x. And then we're going to have minus 9 times minus 7 plus 63. So we'll have x squared minus 16x plus 63. Now part D, you need to be super careful. It's the same as x minus 8 multiplied by x minus 8, which is going to give us x squared minus 8x minus 8x plus 64, which is x squared minus 16x plus 64. Okay, so next up we've got some factorization. So here we're going to take out the highest common factor again, which is 5. So it's 5 bracket x minus, and what do I times by 5 to get negative 20? Negative 4. So it's 5 bracket x minus 4. Next up it's 7x plus 35. So it's 7 bracket x plus 5. And there we go. Next one, highest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4. And both of these ones share an x. So it's 4x brackets 4x multiplied by 2x gives me 8x squared minus 3, close the bracket. Now the next one's a little bit harder. Highest common factor of 16 and 28 is 4. So it's going to be 4x to the power of 4, because that goes into both of them. Brackets 4x plus, sorry, that's my mistake. That should be 4 plus 4 times 7. So 7x, excuse my mistake there. It should look like that, 4 plus 7x. Okay, so moving on now, we're going to go to calculating the mean from a frequency table. Now I remind you again, the mean is equal to total fx over total frequency. Please don't get that formula the wrong way around, because you won't get the formula in the exam. Now the frequencies I'm going to write here are going to be 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. So now to work out the fx column, we're going to say 0 multiplied by 3 is 0. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 3 is 3. And 1 4 is 4. So my total fx is going to be 4, 8, 11, 15 over the total frequency, which is 7, 9, 10, 11. So the mean is equal to 15 divided by 11. And if I put that into the calculator, 15 divided by 11 is going to be 1.36. So the average person has 1.36 pets. There we go. Now, next up, we have got calculate the mean. So what I'm going to do now is, firstly, I'm going to give you the frequencies, which are 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. This is how much pocket money some students got. So because this one gives us groups, we need to work out the midpoint. So it's 10, 30, 50, 70, and 90. If you are in doubt, add together these two numbers and divide them by 2. That will tell you the midpoint. Now, same formula again. Total fx over total frequency. So let's work out the fx. 10, 60, 150, 140, 180, 10, 60, 70, 220, 360, 540. Now total frequency, do not add up the midpoints. You don't need to do that. Total frequency is 3, 6, 8, 10. So nice, easy calculation. The mean is 540 over 10, which is equal to 54. There we go, halas, done. Perfect. Right, next up, calculate the area. Area of a circle is equal to pi multiplied by the radius squared, and we know that pi is equal to 3.142, or you can use the pi button on your calculator, whichever you want to do. So for this one, we will do 3.142 multiplied by 7 squared, because in this case 7 is the radius. So 7 squared is 49 times 3.142, and that gives us 153.0, so 154.0 to 1 decimal place. Now the next one, we don't know the radius yet. We need to halve the diameter to get the radius, which is 6 centimetres. So we'll do pi times r squared again. So we'll do 3.142 multiplied by 6 squared, and 3.142 multiplied by 36 is going to give me 100. Well, initially it gives me 113.112. Now the question hasn't asked for a specific degree of accuracy, but what I'll do is I'll round it to 1 decimal place, so 113.1 centimetres, and I'm going to put here brackets 1 dp, which just means that's been rounded to 1 decimal place. Next up, we want to work out the area. Now the triangle is base times the vertical height divided by 2. So all I'll do is 8 multiplied by 9 over 2, which is going to give me 36 centimetres squared. Now, just looking back, that should be squared, sorry, because I'm calculating an area. So we need to have square units. Nice and easy. Okay, so next up we have got a compound shape here. So what I'll do with the compound shape is I'm going to split it. Now I think it's going to work best for me to split it here, but actually I don't think it matters. I'll call them shape 1 and shape 2. Now shape 1 is 4, but I don't know what it's 4 by, but I do know that the whole length is 8. This length here is 2, so it's going to be 6 centimetres. So shape 1 is going to be 4 by 6, which is 24. And then shape 2 is just 2 by 10, which is 20. So my total area is 44 centimetres squared. That's called a compound or a composite shape, a shape made up of 2 different shapes. Okay, next one, round to 3 significant figures. So here we have got, I'm doing question 746 here, but I don't worry too much. 1, 2, 3, draw the line. The 8 is going to influence now, so it's going to be 1, 2, it's going to make the 7 go up to an 8. These ones now become 0, 0, 0, so 128,000. The next one, remember the 0 at the front is not significant, so first significant, second and third. Draw a line here. The 4 will make it stay the same, so it's 0.787 to 3 significant figures. If you put more zeros on, unlike here, where they add value, they would not add value here, so there is no need to add those zeros on, okay? Next up, 2 decimal places. Well, boom, draw the line, 3.14. And the next one, 1, 2, draw the line. The 7's going to influence, so it's going to be 3.77. And there we go. Right, we've got a couple more questions now. Find the nth term rule. So the nth term rule, you work out which times table it's related to. It's going up by 9 every time because the difference here is 9. So it's 9, 9, 9, 9. So it's 9n. And how do I get from the 9 times table back to my sequence? I take away 6. Next up, it's going down by 3. So it's negative 3n. But what do I do to the negative 3 times table to get back to my sequence? I add on 13 every time. So it's minus 3n plus 13, which is the same as 13 minus 3n. There we go. Okay, finally number 8. I think that's the last question. Yep, number 8 is the last question. So we want to do a squared plus b squared, which is going to be 7 squared plus negative 6 squared. Now remember, if you square a negative number, it becomes positive. So it's 49 plus 36. Now 49 plus 36 is going to give me 85. Next up, b squared take away a squared. So it's going to be minus 6 squared take away 7 squared. which is going to be 36 minus 49. Remember, again, a negative number squared is always positive, so it's going to be negative 13. And the last one, we will do 7 multiplied by 7 plus 6 multiplied by negative 6, which again is going to be 49. Take away 36, so it's going to be equal to 13. They are all the questions that we've done there, folks. I hope that helped, and please let me know if you have any more questions.